Can you tell us about a project or event at the Maryland STEM Festival that you're really excited about right now?
Well, there's a lot, but I'll focus on one. We're calling it the Da Vinci STEM Day.
I
Um,
like the name.
well, I don't know if you know Ken Burns, the documentary filmmaker.
Yes.
He's done a lot of things. He did a one on jazz and on the Civil War. He's actually got a two-part documentary that's going to be released in November on Da Vinci.
I didn't know that. Okay,
And
good.
so Maryland Public Television, which will be showing it, was able to get a grant. And the woman in charge of grants says, I want to do something STEM oriented. So she reached out to
Oh,
me.
wow.
And then there has been a great annual event run by the Italian Cultural Center called Da Vinci Bid Da Vinci Bridge Building Competition that they've been
Okay.
running. Um, and it's been part of the festival for 3, 4 years. And what it involves is a team of students, and it can be high school or middle school, who get together with a series of pieces of wood, and they
Hmm.
build this bridge based on the Da Vinci design. And there are no bolts or nails or anything.
Nice.
It's strictly using leverage and gravity and physics to build this bridge. And it's a really cool event. It's open to everyone, and that will be a large part of the Da Vinci Day. And then we'll have other tables and booths talking about different areas of STEM. We know we invited the Baltimore Bolts. The
Hmm.
robotics team is planning to be there, and so we expect to have like 15 other STEM tables and probably face painting. And it's going to be a fun day. It's going to be October 20th, and we're really looking forward to that.
And how can kids and their parents learn more and get involved?